There comes a time in a man's life when he's faced with difficult decisions. And in those critical moments, it's really important to really slow down, think things through, and make sure you act accordingly. Now, what I want to share with you today might come as a shocker, but it's a small little update on our Starting a Brand from Scratch series. Now, this is an ongoing playlist. I started this playlist about 5 months ago, and it's centered around me starting a simple brand through drop shipping with my girlfriend. And to be completely honest with you, so far, it has been amazing. It's been super smooth. People love the brand. People love the products. My girlfriend loves the brand. I love the brand. Everything is running smoothly. We're building systems. We've built a great brand aesthetic. We've built a whole brand. However, this week, we've come to a conclusion after seeing our feedback score on Facebook start to dip from nearly a maxed out score of 4.9 to a 4.3. Now, to those of you out there who are familiar with dropshipping, this is no big deal. This is pretty normal. This is kind of good even. However, if there's anything I've learned in the last year is that in order to be a great entrepreneur, this is not gonna cut it. So we're officially transitioning the brand out of drop shipping into a US shipping operation. I've shared this with you guys plenty of times, but my channel is more so a business vlog channel than anything else. And I love sharing my experience with you guys and my journey, and even getting you guys' feedback lately has been amazing. Now, this isn't necessarily a struggle, and this isn't a pity party of any kind. In fact, this is quite exciting. So I quickly want to share with you my big brain 1000 IQ play, which will help you make sense of this decision. Keep in mind, I have another brand where we already do ship from the United States. We ship everything ourselves. My team ships things out, not me, but my team. And I gotta say, having full control of your business is pretty dope. So my point here is the control and the smoothness of that model is amazing. And I think that's what's made my main brand so strong. And now this new brand that me and my girlfriend are building, it's becoming quite a serious brand. I mean, we've built a cult following even while drop shipping. And now it's simply time to take it to the next level, to really build it into a viral brand. And so by shipping from the United States, what we'll be able to do is have full control of the business. We'll be able to share us sending packages, really satisfying customers to the highest extent. And here's the most important thing, aside from the delivery times, we'll be able to quality check everything before it goes out. We've been running into a lot of issues where products are breaking when they ship from China. Even while we ship with the best shipping lines possible, there's still a lot of issues, and you can definitely get a business started even with these issues. However, the type of brand that I'm trying to build is basically like the brand that I already have, which is a brand I'm passionate about, that my customers are passionate about, that tries to continuously improve the customer experience, and that my friends and family want to support. I'm gonna be honest with you. Of course, I'm not actually friends with you guys. I don't know you guys on a personal level, but I do feel like this channel is a strong community. It feels like we're friends. And I would love to share every single one of my brands on this channel. I don't want to keep these things secret. It's not fun to beat around the bush. I love being transparent. I mean, if you've been following me for a long time, you know that. Like, it's not hard for me to be authentic because it's hard for me to not be authentic. So what does this mean for the overall vision? Now, having everything in the US will allow me to really build a next level operation. Through both of my brands being in the US, we'll have a better customer experience and a better product, which means we'll be able to reach more people organically. We'll be able to get a lot of sales just from people telling their friends and family about it. You hear stories like Tesla, for example, where they don't spend a single dime on advertising. And for an e-commerce business, I mean, that sounds beautiful. And I'm not saying we're not going to spend money on ads. I'm not crazy. But what I am saying is that I want to take advantage of just how much people want to support businesses that actually take care of their customers. So we're gonna go crazy on TikTok, sharing our team fulfilling orders and just showing people how much we truly care, because we really do. And eventually I will have maybe some sort of warehouse, some sort of center where I have a team shipping all of the products for all of my brands. And as you guys know, I am working on a hoodie project right now. And that hoodie project is also gonna be shipped in-house. Like, those hoodies are insanely high quality, and I want the brand experience to be unreal. I want you guys to get that hoodie and feel like you're literally getting like a part of me, right? And this is kind of the first step to this big vision. Now, I'm not gonna leave you guys empty-handed, so don't worry. I wanna show you how you can find products that ship to the US from AliExpress really quickly, because just like every single brand I've ever started, we started through drop shipping. I think it's an amazing way to start a business. Like, we started this with $2,000 and now we're ordering products in bulk and really taking things to the next level, like reinvesting almost all of our profits into making the business better. But this is how we started. And if drop shipping is gonna allow you to just finally start your business, then by all means drop ship, please do. My best piece of advice though is just to continuously listen to your customers, see where bottlenecks are and try to fix them. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys. But here we are on the AliExpress dropshipping center. Some of you guys may not even know about this, but if you just go to Google and you look up AliExpress dropshipping center, it will lead you here. Now, if you're outside of the country, maybe, your country for some reason doesn't have the dropshipping center, then my recommendation is to just get a VPN, get some sort of VPN, set your IP address to somewhere in the US and get on here, bro. No, but really, here's a little hack I wanna show you. When you're on this dropshipping center, you can see the hot selling products, right? Like the products that are just hot right now. These are getting a lot of sales on AliExpress. However, these have pretty crazy shipping times. I mean, these are gonna be like 30 days. But if you go right here to ships from, you can see all the countries that they can ship from. So, China is the biggest one, of course, but let's say you're in Italy, you can go to ships from Italy, and it'll only show you products here that ship from Italy, which is really great. And you may be thinking, well, why are no products here shipping from the US? And honestly, I have no idea why they do that, but I'm gonna show you a little hack. If you just go here to the search bar and you see right here where it says ship from IT, this is Italy, you just erase the IT and you go US and you refresh and boom. All these products right here, believe it or not, ship from the US. So what does this mean? This means that you're gonna be able to start your business through drop shipping, not having a crazy budget, but still be able to get reasonable shipping times. However, I will warn you, people are crazy about shipping nowadays. They really want shipping fast, and I don't blame them. I really think this will help a lot of you, especially those of you starting businesses, which is who I'm trying to inspire. This product right here, for example, actually looks really clean. It looks well designed, very minimal, looks aesthetically pleasing, and ships from the United States. So pretty cool. And then eventually you can just start ordering it in bulk to a warehouse around you or even to yourself and ship stuff out yourself. So yeah, the big brain plan is in full motion. So hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to be fully transparent with everything and just truly share the journey. That's where my brand vision is headed, and that is also where my channel is headed. But that's it. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.